Yeah, we have a phone, Samsung Galaxy A12, a broken screen. Yeah, that screen need to be replaced. As you can see, one side of the screen is not visible, and we need to change that screen as soon as possible. Actually, that's what we're going to do right now. So, uh, let's start by removing the back cover, and then I'll take you through all the procedures that you need to do to change a phone screen, Samsung Galaxy A12. Yeah, we take the back cover. From there, you have to disconnect the battery, other flex cables. That is after you remove the screws. Yeah, let me grab a magnet here so that I may not lose any screw. Let me try to zoom a little bit. Sometimes zooming in can interfere with the quality of the video, but I hope this is not going to be the case. Let's remove the back cover. So you're done with the screws. So remove this. The bottom. That's where the charging plate is. So be careful not to damage the charging plate. Yeah, disconnect that screen connector at the bottom. Yeah, this one you don't have to remove the battery. In some other phones, you have to remove the battery so that you can take out the screen. Just in case the screen flex cable is under the battery, you will have to plug out the battery. Yeah, come with a very tiny sheath and go under the screen with some isopropylic alcohol to desolder the glue. Yeah, and the old screen is out. Yeah, we need to grab a new one now. Yeah, let me grab a new screen here. And for that, we have to brush off some dirt. Make sure the surface area is clean. Come with a new screen. Insert the screen and connect the flex cable and the connector, the screen connector. There it is. Yeah, the screen comes with the bottom screen connector and the upper screen connector. Make sure both are clipped. And then put the battery. Yeah, first of all, test the phone before you you apply any glue on the screen, because sometimes you may come to realize that the screen is not working, or maybe there's an issue you need to correct before you apply the glue. So let me put the power button so that I can be able to switch on the phone. Here we go. Oh, did I forget to put back the screen? Yeah, the battery connector. Yeah, it's okay. Our phone is okay. The screen is working fine. Yeah, you can see the Samsung logo on the screen, Samsung Galaxy A12, powered by Android. Oh, the screen is okay. Try to touch and confirm that touch is working. Yeah, and this one is okay. Yeah, this one is perfect. So you can go ahead to apply the glue now so that the screen can stick. Yeah, make sure to disconnect the battery first before you start applying the glue. Yeah, T7000 is my glue. I like it. It's reliable. It's black in color. And make sure you don't apply glue all over the screen, especially the upper part here, because this part of the screen, there are some sensors there that don't need to be covered. Like when you're calling somebody and the screen has to go off, there's a sensor that does that work and it's on the top of the screen, so you don't apply glue there. So if you apply glue on that particular area, you find that you're calling somebody, and when you put your phone on the ears, the phone is not going off. Also take care because of the selfie camera. And that's why that part of screen does not require glue. So let's apply some glue so that we can fix that screen. Let me add some more here. Yeah, so let me try to get some rubber bands here to wrap the screen so that you can hold the screen against the phone frame as you wait for the glue to fasten. Okay, you have placed the key. The, spring on the phone frame. It's perfect. Now let's come with some rubber bands here. Let's wrap it up. Yeah, you can use salt tips. The tips sometimes they're also efficient, but I prefer to use the rubber bands myself. And wait for the screen to dry up for the glue to fasten. Give it some minutes, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. That's okay. Yeah, yeah, the phone is okay. As you can see, it's perfect now. All you need to do is to peel the top protective cover and put a screen guard if you want. Yeah, but that's how the phone is looking now when it's complete. And everything, as you can see, is fine. The screen is working fine. And now the phone looks like it's new. Yeah, and that's all for today, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.